Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of portable audio with the Prskfum S3 Bluetooth shower speaker. With Bluetooth 5.3 technology, this speaker offers seamless connectivity within a 33-foot range, making it your ideal companion for travel, hiking, camping, and more. What sets the S3 apart is its colorful light show and LED display. The built-in 6-color rainbow LED lights create a vibrant atmosphere, turning any gathering into a party. It's not just a speaker, it's a mood enhancer. Now, let's talk durability. With an IP7 waterproof rating, this speaker can handle water sprays and splashes, perfect for showering, swimming, or beach outings. The detachable suction cup adds convenience, firmly attaching the speaker to walls or glass surfaces. But it's not just about the lights and water resistance. The S3 delivers true 360 degrees wireless stereo sound with rich bass. Dual pairing function allows you to connect two devices simultaneously, forming a wireless left and right channel system for an immersive audio experience. With over 10 hours of playtime at 50% volume, the S3 won't let you down during your outdoor escapades. Plus, it serves as a hands-free speaker for calls, adding practicality to its feature list. One thing to note: Android users, the speaker may request SMS permission for accurate time updating. You can choose to accept or decline without affecting other functions. In conclusion, the Prskfum S3 Bluetooth shower speaker is more than just a speaker. It's a versatile companion for your adventures, blending music, lights, and durability seamlessly. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.